Hey viewers, welcome back. Today I'll discuss on why the original Microsoft Office should be used. We know pirated or cracked version softwares are available online. If you use pirated version of Microsoft Office, then you may face about the activation problem like this. Either way though, you can activate for free but not for permanent. Then question is, if pirated version is available everywhere, then why people buy Microsoft Office with a lot of money? It's very simple. If you work in a professional place like a company, business or individual sectors, then you should use the original Microsoft Office. It will secure your privacy and hold on your professionalism. Sometimes the pirated software are not come from trustworthy source, and that's why you may get tricked. I hope you can understand that. So if you decide to buy latest version of Microsoft Office as Office 2019 Pro Plus, then make sure your operating system is Windows 10. If your operating system is lower than Windows 10 like Windows 7 or 8, then you can use Office 2016 or the lower versions. To buy Microsoft Office at a very cheap price, I can recommend a trusted site, 𝗵𝟐 shop. As you are my viewers, so you will get extra 10% discount on behalf of TechRider. Kindly check the description box below. If you want, then you can see the customer reviews from here. So let's see the Microsoft Office products. Here you can see all the Office versions are available here. So if you want to buy Microsoft Office 2019 Professional Plus, then click here. Now click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. Here you can select the quantity of the product and put here the channel promo code TechRider 10%. You can use this promo code for all the products. After applying the promo code, you can see the discount price is €7. Here you can see the total price is about €70. And after applying discount code, now the total price is about €63, which is very cheap. Here I want to say one thing: if you buy from here, then you will get instant software and lifetime product key. Now click here, proceed to checkout. After then, put your personal information, address and complete the payment system. If you face any problem, then you can chat with them. Just click here, chat with us. Now you can ask any question to them. So I hope you can understand all the things. Kindly check the description box below for more information. If you enjoy this video, then like, comment and subscribe our channel for more updates. So till then, take care, tata.